Here we have a Volkswagen T-Cross. It's a 1 litre TSI R-Line hatchback, 115 PS. Now the White Wonder's a great vehicle and it has a top spec, and that includes adaptive cruise control with front assist, a radar sensor controlled distance monitor, hill start assist, lane assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, and 18-inch Nevada alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it is spacious and a good size overall. The interior has 2-zone climate control, 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, and an eCall emergency call service. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.